Hi guys, it's me. Uh, I have another video for you guys. Uh, this one is a little different from the previous one, which is good, right? New content, something indifferent from the previous video. Well, I have another one for you guys. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Look what I have here, guys. It is, if you can't tell, it is not a mini fridge, an actual fridge that holds a capacity of 50 drinks in the refrigerator. I don't have 50 at the moment. No, it holds like, let's see, I think it holds like 250 drinks. So you can put about maybe like 13, 12 packs in here of drinks. Of your choosing, of course. Yeah. There it is. Has a little temperature gauge right there, if you can see it. I have those new cream Coca-Colas, orange cream Coca-Colas, that's what they're called or whatever. So I got those, and I got Arizona iced teas. That's what those are. And it's a glass door. And it comes out about that yay far. So that's what you get there. It holds, let's see, 48 Cokes per shelf, I guess. So you do the math, you get that many. It's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. I mean, I like it. See, it comes out that far. See? And there's a little bit of lowercase down here. You can put like little bottle drinks underneath. And you can change it out, of course. And these are adjustable. As you can see right there. You can move them around if you want to. But I fitted it to where it goes like that. And yeah. That way you can buy more drinks than just a simple 12 pack from time to time. Let's see. Oops, sorry about that. Go that way. There. But this is the look of it from the inside. That many there, that many there, and that many there. So I pretty much have it filled up. Little pieces of it like empty. Spent about $100 to buy all these drinks. It was worth it. You know, you never can go thirsty. So yeah. And then this is the little glass thing here. So there, and then it has like a see-through glass. Then you have like a sunglass thing, like you can see, like it has like a little tint to it. underneath. It has like a little venting thing under here, as you can see. So the cold air comes out of here on the bottom. So you walk past this, you'll feel cold air. This cost me about $700, but it's worth it because I drink a lot of drinks. So I figured investing in this was worth it for me. So yeah. I mean, it's worth it. So maybe you guys might want to buy one of these yourself. I mean, this is not your standard small fridge, of course, as you can see. So you can even get one with even more, depending on your budget, I would say. But this is what it looks like. A little dirty on the handrail there, but that's you just grabbing a drink out, not cleaning it, wiping it down. It's basically dirt scuffs on the handle. And I hate cleaning it, so I just leave it alone. Because I'm going to get my hands dirty anyway, so, you know, I mean, it's going to happen from time to time, so, yeah. It's a pretty cool fridge. I'm glad I bought it. Because I'm always buying a bunch of drinks and then I have nowhere to put them, so. I mean, I use my refrigerator for food only, but nothing for just drinks by itself, you know. So I finally got enough money and bought one. So, yeah, there it is. I thought maybe you guys would want to see this. And maybe you want to buy one yourself later in life, you know. You know, you buy a bunch of drinks and you don't have nowhere to put them. This is your second best option you can do for yourself. So, yeah. You might want to consider investing in one of these like I did. So, yeah. And then you might get one that has more shelves than I have, which is fine. Whatever your preference is, you know. You get what you like. You know, this is what I like, so I just buy enough capacity to fill it up. As you can see, some drinks are missing from each side because I grab them from each one. It doesn't really matter. Since it is summertime, I figured, you know, stock up on drinks, you know. So that's what I did. And, yeah. And I keep the temperature at 37 degrees just to keep them fairly cold. So it's not like hot drink, like really cold drink instead, you know. Because it is hot, and it's about 85 degrees where I'm at in the state I reside in. It's about 85 today. So yeah, and then there's a little thing down here. You can put like bottles, or like 20-ounce bottle of Coke. You can put a 2-liter down there, whatever you want, and it will still freeze the drink too. So, I mean, what do you think? Did I do good or did I not do good? Let me know down in the comments what you think. If it was a good purchase, you know, let me know what you think about it. And maybe a few of you who are considering buying one yourself. So maybe this is encouragement, motivation for you to buy one yourself. You know, so this is what it is. capacity for it and everything like that. So you get 48 drinks per shelf. So that's like about 250 drinks or less. I don't know. Maybe 200 or so. But yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's really simple. Not long, not short, but something to show you guys and motivate you guys. And some new content. Yeah. Has like a little silver thing around it too. I forgot to show you that. So I'm showing it to you now towards the end of the video. It's pretty cool. I mean, yeah. There you have it, guys. I give you guys another video. And hopefully you enjoyed the content, enjoyed the video, and like, comment, subscribe. If you like more of this kind of content, subscribe and you'll see more. More things about my life and what I decide to do, and I'll always inform you guys, you know, keep you in the loop of everything. So I appreciate it. Thank you. And you know, make tomorrow better for you guys in your own futures of life. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.